Prelims Test Series can be a game changer, but if you use it smartly, it can happen only then. Now, most of the aspirants give number of tests without realizing that these prelims test series can help you to develop your strategy for UPSC exam. Now in this video I am going to talk about that how effectively you can use your prelims mock test in order to increase your score in your prelims exam. Now the first thing that you have to, or that most of the aspirant need to do, is that you have to change your mindset. Now whenever you appear for sectional test, or you can say subject wise test, your agenda must be to learn from those test series rather than scoring. So ultimately these mock tests are for learning, not for scoring. Yes, you must score, but that you will do in, you can say, when you are appearing for full length test, in which you find that all the subjects are covered. But in sectional test, your agenda must be, or you can say in subject wise test, prelims test series, your agenda must be to learn, not to score. So this is what you have to change your mindset. So as I have shown in this picture also, that you have to shift your mindset. Second is you have to learn elimination techniques. So there may be possibility that from some source you have learned so many things, you are in a position to solve some kind of question, but in UPSC some questions are very tricky, like some statements are very tricky. So you have to understood through test series that how such statements are framed, as well as you have to learn some keywords also, where UPSC gives a trap like only, all, always, etc. So you have to learn all these things clear through test series. So second is that you have to learn the elimination technique. Third is detailed analysis. So it means whenever you conduct a test, which most of the students never do, like whenever you appear for any test, clear, either you have purchased from the market or you have joined any coaching for test series, whatever may be the case. So whenever you appear for any test, so what is required, that after test you must have a detailed analysis of each and every option, or you can say statement in your test series. Even if that statement is correct, you must know why it is correct. You also have to look for incorrect statement also, that why in these statements are incorrect. So ultimately third thing that you need is, you can say, post test analysis. That is what detailed analysis is very much required. And the fourth thing that you need is that through test series you will be able to know that you are weak in which subject, and in subject also you are weak in which topic. So you just demarcate those areas and try to revise those topics, or you can say subject, whatever may be the case. So if you follow these 4 steps, like first of all, first step is that you have to understand that it is for your learning, not for scoring. But I am talking about sectional test, or you can say subject wise test. But when it comes to full length test, there you have to score. Clear? But in sectional and subject wise test, you have to understood that it is for your learning, not for scoring. Clear? Second, you have to learn elimination techniques whenever you solve test series. Third, you have to go for detailed analysis after your test. Clear? So you have to spend time with your test paper. Clear? And fourth is you have to demarcate your weak areas, so that next time whenever you appear, or when next time whenever you encounter such question from that topic, you are in a position to solve it correctly, and that is with accuracy. So these are the 4 things that you have to learn from your prelims mock test.